Hello again. Today we're going to talk about Communication 101. One of the things about relationships is this: the hardest thing to say to your partner is often the thing that they most need to hear. Um, most couples will say and recognize that communication is the lifeblood of love. And yet, it's the place where so many couples stumble. That's what my experience has been. Invariably, couples will come and say, "Oh, we need to communicate better," or "our communication is terrible." And yet, it is the place where no matter whether it's gay couples, straight couples, heterosexual, bi couples, whatever kind, ADHD couples, whatever kind of couples they are, it doesn't matter. When we don't listen, when we defend instead of hear, love breaks down. But when we learn to listen, really listen, connection deepens. So today, I want you to ask yourself, what's one change I could make in the way I listen? What's one change I could make in the way I listen that would transform the way we connect? So comments below and I will respond to them. Bye for now.